Hey guys, it's Stan here with SS Fishing, and today we're out in West Kendall, which is in West Miami, and we're attempting to catch some small fish in this pond here. We'll see if we have any luck. I'll get right back to you as soon as I get one on. I see a couple peacocks out here. Let's see if they're interested in this white Rapala. Oh, they hit me. Oh man, that was a good thump. Let's see if they're gonna take it. Come on. Fish on. Yeah. Little peacock. Nice little peacock bass here. Let me go up here. I got some pliers in my bag. We'll cut him loose. Easy there, fella. I'm gonna cut you loose. Relax. Stop so I can get you loose. Alright, we're going in for the release. Let's go down here. We're going to cut him loose. And get back out there, fella. And there he goes. Alright, let's get another one on. I'll get right back to you guys as soon as I get another one on the hook. Man, I just had a big old peacock bump this. I'm going to throw it right back out in the same area and see if I can get him to bite again. That would be great to get him on. Let's throw a couple here and see if we can catch him. Man, it would be nice to get him. He was a big fella. Alright, I'm going to pause the video. If I get him on, I'll turn it right back on. I just hooked into a nice one. He's fighting me pretty good. Oh, there we go. Nice. Let me get my pliers so I can get him loose. Okay, I was in the process of unhooking him, and he got unhooked himself and did a couple flips and flops, and he went right back in the water, which is where I was going to put him anyway, so it was a quick release. So let's see if I can get another one on the line, and if I can, I'll get you guys right back. I'll turn it on as soon as I get one on the hook. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys here in the spot I've been fishing in. It's this pond that they have behind these apartments here in West Kendall. It's pretty clear water. I can see lots of peacocks. They just don't seem to be biting right now, other than those two that I just caught a little while ago. Anyway, if you guys like what you seen today, please like, comment, or subscribe down below. Thank you very much. Till next time.